Hey, come here. I have a game for us to play. All right, so it's called Spitters or Quitters, so get a mouthful. Were you thirsty? Did you just get an actual drink and then a mouthful? But okay. So I'm gonna tell a joke, and Summer here is going to try to keep her mouth full, and we're going to see if she can contain it and swallow, or if I'm about to make her pop. All right, we're starting off with my favorite joke. Man walks into a bar, puts a tiny guy on the bar top, and pulls out a grand piano. Tiny man starts playing the piano. The bartender says, "Wow, where'd you get that?" Man says, "There's a genie up the road," and before he can get another word out, the bartender leaves the bar, goes up the road, comes back with 1,000,000 ducks. The bartender says, "That genie can't hear well." The man goes, "Yeah, did you really think I wanted a 12-inch pianist?" You have really good control.